Hey guys, I'm here to show you the PowerGun MP45 Corp from Ausini. So I ordered it off of Amazon and it came in about a week and it shipped from China, I think. Well, that's where the company is. It might have shipped from Hong Kong, but I just got it today and built it, and I like it. Came with only 2 stickers, and that's for the grip, here and here. And first thing I'll show you, and let me just tell you first, I had some difficulties. The mag, or the clip, used to be like this, so I had to do some adjustments to fix it. So I took a layer off and added it here and here. Then I used this piece from underneath the iron sight, and I think it's still pretty cool. So now it fits, and just like that, and still pretty cool. If you want, you can add, like, if you have another set with a square piece, you can add it there, and then it'll stick easier. But I like it. So it doesn't shoot. It came with 3 bullets though, and it came with the stand. So that's the stand. Pretty durable a little bit. Let me just take the bullet apart. To take the end piece off, I just do that. So it's made from one of these small pieces, one of these pieces, and I can tell you this is the first time I've ever seen one of these pieces. And one of these, the cylinder. Just put this piece on the end like that. Have that. Just put that on, then you have the bullet. Sorry, just have to get this off. Okay, got it. Just attach that back on. Take the 3 bullets out of the way. And here's the stand. It had us put 3 black blocks on the bottom, 7 yellow on the top, not including this. Then there's all this, which I don't remember how many blocks. I'd count now: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Either 19 or 20 for this. I think 19. Here, let me check. Yeah, 19 pieces. And that's the stand. Now I'll get to showing you the gun. The gun has a slide, which I like. No hammer on the back. But you don't need any rubber bands for this, which it's pretty easy to go back and forth. And these right here aren't stickers, it was just imprinted on the block. So, and the trigger, three pieces. This piece that connects to that long piece. Here, let me just. And this. So I'll just put this back on. Oh, wrong way. There. So it has just like different, it just stops, but I've gotten used to it. And so that's the trigger. It's pretty durable. I like it. And I showed you the mag. Just show you how it's smooth on top. Goes right in. Fits my hand pretty well. Like, it's a little, feels a little weird like that, but you get used to it. It's pretty nice. Then there's the iron sight. Just get to like that. So if you don't know how to make a Lego gun, then I suggest looking into the Ausini guns. I heard that the revolver breaks a lot, so I don't want to get that, but I've been looking into other ones, and building this, it just had a really nice design, and like with everything, I just loved it. It was fun to make, and I suggest getting this. There was also the Desert Eagle and another pistol, if you don't include the revolver. And then there was an M16, snipers, Dragunov, and yeah, they were just some pretty cool guns. And when I started making Lego guns, I made this. I thought I could make like try to make a future gun. Few spare parts. Put the trigger on the side. And this this was my first making, it wasn't that well, but I really made the design. That's the top. That's the bottom. And I would put a rubber band, small one, in here. Make it go through that hole and onto this green, which kept it. And it could go. It would go fast. And this is just like a decoration bullet to make. But Then I made this, and it would just shoot. So just put it in, and it would shoot like a couple feet. But so that was my beginner one. It has a couple flaws, but good enough. Take things apart. Comes apart easily, but goes together easily. Not too easily. It doesn't come apart too easily, but I've had flaws. When I first made it, I didn't make it shoot or have a slide, so I put a couple in there. Let me just get that out. Now I have this, and you can just put it in, take it out. So I called it my future gun. So that's my future gun. And just put the bullets up there. And the Ausini Power Gun MP45 Corp pistol. If you have any comments or questions, if you have any questions or comments, put it in the comments and leave a like.